Hi everyone, my name's Scott Miller from Miller Advisors, and I'm excited to be conducting a virtual workshop with the PPS at their upcoming European conference this December 1st through December 3rd. This workshop, titled Pricing and Offer Design in the B2B Subscription and as a Service Era, will ensure that you can improve and optimize your organization's hardware, software, and or services pricing practices using proven best-in-class approaches. We'll be highlighting best practice frameworks, case studies, alongside hands-on exercises using our pricing toolkit that'll help you directly address complex B2B pricing scenarios within your own company. So improve how you monetize your company's investments in technology and take your skill sets to a whole new level. Be sure to sign up today with the link below, and looking forward to a great and impactful conference.